Hey, welcome back to my video. I'm Harold. Hey, today I just want to talk about these cameras. I just ordered a new camera. I've got cameras all over the place, and I'm going to put some links up above the video that you can look at the other camera systems that I've used. But I bought a camera system from the Sam's Club. It had 4 cameras and a DVR, but it only records for like 24 hours. So it's a good system. You can see all the video, all the cameras with your phone and stuff. It has a good app, but it's just no good if you can't store the video. So I think you can add an external hard drive to it. I don't know, but you can upload it to the cloud, but it's a monthly fee for that system, and I didn't want to do that. The reason I'm telling you that is because this camera, it's called WYZE Camera, and I'm going to unbox it here and show it to you in just a second. But this company will let you upload stuff to their cloud for free, and there's no monthly fee. Also has a slot for an SD card, and it's 1080p. So, and this one does, let's see, it does 360 by 93 degree pan tilt range. It does 18 steps of enhanced night video. It has mic design and high quality audio. So this has two-way communication with this camera. Let's see what else it has. 1080p high definition video, I already said that. Wide angle is 120 degrees, and it has quick rotation speed, 110 seconds. So let's unbox this camera and see what it is. But the other thing I want to tell you too, I'm replacing some cameras that I have. Let me show you this one. This camera right here I've had around the house for years and years and years and years and years. Had them outside, inside. They're D-Link cameras. They serve their purpose, but I think they've lived their life. I think it's time to upgrade, but these have really helped me a lot to keep surveillance on the house. They're baby monitor cameras, but they really work great. And they also have a phone app that you can watch. I have 2 of these at the house and 4 outside. So these work good. But I'm replacing these with this one. So I'm going to unbox this one. Stay with me. I'm getting ready to do it right now. I know you want to see it.
There's an LED light on the back of the camera that should be a solid yellow when you first plug it in. This is telling you that the camera is warming up. Wait till there's a blinking yellow light before you begin setup. So while we're waiting for that blinking yellow light, let's head back over to your app. When you first open the WYZE app, it's going to ask to access your location. This is 100% optional. It just helps our engineering team improve performance of WYZE Cam. Secondly, it's going to ask to send you notifications. You do want to hit allow for this because the only way that the app can send you motion and sound alerts to your phone is if you let it send you notifications. At the very bottom of the app, you hit sign up. Once you've hit sign up, enter an email and password and tap next. At which point it will send a verification code to your email. This works just like every other online account setup. So just hop over to your email, grab the code, and then come back to the WYZE app. Enter that verification code to verify your WYZE account. So now that you're logged in, you'll see a large plus sign in the middle of the screen. Press that to be taken into the device setup screen. Now come back to your WYZE Cam. On the bottom of the camera, there's going to be a little button. Make sure you push that button and hold it down.
Ready to connect.
Until you hear it say ready to connect. Now go back to your app and confirm that you heard it say ready to connect. So hit that button. Now you'll put in your Wi-Fi information. The Wi-Fi information will automatically populate with the network that your phone is already connected to. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz network. The WYZE Cam doesn't work on a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Double check that you're entering the correct Wi-Fi password, and make sure you didn't accidentally enter your WYZE account password instead of your own Wi-Fi password associated with your home Wi-Fi network. Once you've entered that in, tap this button to get a QR code. Now you've got to scan this QR code with the camera. So hold your WYZE Cam about 5 inches away from the QR code.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
After it scans, you'll hear it say QR code scan, please wait. If it doesn't work right away, you can always move it closer or farther away. Try to adjust the distance between the phone and the camera. If it's still not working, try to tilt your phone around to make sure there's no light reflections on the screen. So sometimes you get light reflections that bounce off and block that QR code from the camera and it can't scan it. If the QR code is scanned correctly, you press this button and it'll finish the setup process on its own. The LED indicator on the back should be now a flash between yellow and blue, and then it will flash blue, and then it will turn into a solid blue.
Setup completed.
And then it will tell you the setup is complete. Now you can name your camera. I'm going to call this WYZE Cam Studio. Once you name your camera, hit start, and you should see a little picture of the WYZE Cam right there. As soon as you hit that, your camera should go live. And there I am. So now the camera's working. You could mount this to a wall with this adhesive. So first thing you want to do is pull off this back tab, place it on a wall, and then pull off this front side like a Band-Aid. Then take your metal plate, place it right on top of that sticky adhesive, and then your WYZE Cam will stick magnetically right on the back. All right, so your WYZE Cam is now completely set up. I just want to walk you through a couple settings to help you make the most out of your WYZE Cam. So in the top left corner, you can toggle between high definition and standard definition. If you have a slow internet connection, I would suggest switching to standard definition. It's going to be lesser video quality, but you're going to get a better, more consistent stream. In the right-hand corner, you can toggle your night vision between on, off, or I just leave it on auto. In the very top right corner, you have your settings. I would turn on your motion detection. I would turn on your sound detection. That way, when your camera detects motion or sound, it'll send a notification to your phone. If you put your WYZE Cam in a higher traffic area and you feel like you're getting too many notifications, you can go into your notifications, click settings, and then turn off push notifications. Now, if you want to share the WYZE Cam with another user, say someone living with you also wants access to the camera, they can download the WYZE app, also make an account, and then you can hit share device to other users, enter their email address, and hit invite, and then that user is going to go to their notifications, their messages, and they'll see the invite right there. The device tab shows you all the cameras that you have set up. It displays the static image of the last time you watched a live stream from that specific camera. So all you have to do is just click on an individual camera to view the live stream view. And that's it for setting up WYZE Cam. If you followed all these steps and you're still having issues setting up your camera, of course you can always email or call our customer support team. They're waiting and willing to make sure WYZE Cam is everything you want it to be. We're all in on this company. We wanted to blow your mind with how awesome this product is. So please, in the rare circumstance that your camera will not connect, please call us and we'll help you, we'll walk you through it. We have engineers here on hand in Seattle, ready to fix your issue. If there's a bug, we will fix it as soon as possible. So we are here for you. We're here to help you. Additionally, we hope you will join our WYZE fam community on social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Please follow us and continue to give your feedback and support. So thank you so much, everyone. We'll see you next time.
So now, without further ado, there you go. Now that's out of the package. It's a nice camera. I'm not going to take that cover off until I get it set up. But you have your USB there, and that's your power input right there, your power input. And I guess that's to connect to a computer if you want to. Oh, and then it has your buttons down here to do your syncing with your app and your Wi-Fi. It has the slot there for your micro SD card. And it has oh, look there, it has threads in there so you can actually put it on a tripod if you want to. And let's see, it has a nice speaker on the back right here and microphone in the front right there. So this is going to do everything that you want it to do that you're going to pay somebody big bucks to do. And we're going to hook it up and check it out and see what it looks like. So that's going to take me a few minutes. So I'll be back after I get it hooked up and we can check it out and watch it move around and stuff like that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it set up. I don't know if you can see it in here. It's over there, right there, and it's working real good. I don't know if you can see this either. Right there. Shows pretty good. But it took a couple of times to get it to log into the router. Then I had to take it out to the room to get it to do it. But it's got some pretty neat functions. It's got sound. If you turn on the sound, it lights up blue. If you want to record, you hit record. If you want to talk to the person in the room, you got to push down on the voice button there and hold it down to talk to them. And then you can take a photo just by clicking on take a photo, and it's saved to album. So all in all, it looks like it's going to be pretty good. I don't have it set to motion right now because it looked like it was a little clunky. I don't even know if I'm going to use that function, but it really works good. If you're not going to use the motion function, you can get them for around 25 bucks. I paid 45 for this one because it seemed to have more functions. But I'm going to order some of the ones that are $25 and put them around and see how they work compared to this one. But this is the WYZE, W-Y-Z-E camera. And I hope the video helped you a little bit. And man, it was easy, but it wasn't easy because I had to keep putting the password in. But anyway, this is real life, the way you do it. I'm not a professional camera installer. I'm just a homeowner, just like you, and hopefully it helped you a little bit. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I'll have something else coming up soon. You guys have a fantastic weekend. This is Harold signing off, baby.